This is how to use PowerToys Awake to keep your Windows awake without changing your main power settings. Start by opening PowerToys from the taskbar or the Start menu. Once it opens, click the Settings icon in the Tray menu, then in the left panel open System Tools and select Awake. At the top, you'll see Enable Awake, toggle it on to activate the feature. Now open the Mode drop-down inside the Behavior section. This is where you choose how Awake behaves. You'll see 4 different states that control how long the PC stays awake. The first one keeps using your selected power plan, which means the PC just follows your current Windows settings with no changes. Use this if you only want temporary control without messing with your normal setup. The second option keeps the PC awake indefinitely. It runs non-stop until you manually turn Awake off. This works well for overnight downloads or any task where you can't afford sleep interruptions. The third one lets you set a specific time interval. Pick this if you know exactly how long you need. Right under it, use the Interval Before Returning section to set the hours and minutes. Once that time runs out, everything goes back to normal automatically. The fourth option keeps it awake until a specific date and time. Expand end date and time and set both. This helps when you have a deadline in mind. Below the Mode section, you'll see the Keep Screen on toggle. Turn this on if you want the display to stay lit while Awake is running. Otherwise, the screen can still turn off even though the PC stays awake. Once you pick a mode, PowerToys applies it instantly. You can minimize it and keep working. The System Tray shows your current status whenever you need to check it. Just click the PowerToys icon and it will show whether Awake is active or paused. When you're done, go back to the Awake section and turn Enable Awake off. Your PC goes right back to normal power settings.